Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew.
Good morning. Welcome to my channel. Don't mind my outfit. This is my take my daughter to school outfit. Hi. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Why are you biting me? What? Alright, so today is going to be a quick morning tidy up. I'm going to be sharing with you kind of our morning cleaning routine. I haven't filmed a cleaning routine type video in a while. Actually at all, I don't think. I don't really have a cleaning routine, to be honest. I kind of just go with the flow every day. Whatever needs to be cleaned, I tackle. I don't have a set, I need to do this on Monday, this on Tuesday. I clean what needs to be cleaned. But today I wanted to show you a typical morning for us, what our house would look like. It's not messy, but it's not tidy either. It's kind of that in-between phase. So we're gonna get it tackled. It's gonna be a quick power hour. And if I have time to tackle anything else at the end of the video, I will totally do that throughout the day and share it with you. But let's go ahead and get into it.
Love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door.
So I wanted you to help me.
That was a ghost one.
I almost lost the TV. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah, that happens.
No, but it's not funny. Maybe every gas everywhere.
Alright, so after almost sending the TV through the window, I went ahead and I already made my bed. I'm just cleaning up any clothes that are on the floor and anything that's out of place. I was trying to go ahead and put it back where it went before the room gets too out of control. And I typically don't really make my bed every single day. But on the days where I really want to have a good, productive day, I've noticed that if I go the extra mile and make my bed, it does make a huge difference. It really does make a room. If your bed's not made, the whole room looks messy. You could have an entire mess and make the bed and your room looks still put together. So even if your whole room is a disaster, make the bed, it'll make a huge difference. And sometimes it'll even help motivate you to get the rest of it done. But I'm also just taking some toilet paper really quick and wiping down the bathroom sink. I would usually use disinfectant wipes, but I'm out and I just needed to get all my hair off the countertop. I have dark hair, so it shows up really, really bad on our white counters. So I try to wipe that down every day. And then I am going to open the curtains, get breakfast all cleaned up, and start cleaning up out here in the main living space.
Didn't I wait for you? Didn't I say I'm sorry? Didn't I do the best I could? You have high expectations. Don't I know that you've explained it? How I should prove myself to you. But I can't when I'm with you. I need to laugh again. But I can't when I'm with you. I need to find my way by myself. I cannot wait until you hear my story. I cannot wait until I burst. If I could have a day without no worries, maybe I'd figure out a way to stay. Didn't I put you first? Didn't I reassure you? Did you ever do those things for me? I don't mind complicated, but the line is crossed. I'm waiting for a sincere apology.
Okay, so I was almost done cleaning up the kitchen countertops, and then I remembered I had this little mesh bag, and the bathroom was smelling kind of rough. So I added some of these laundry scent beads in this little mesh bag, and I stuck it on, like, our toilet paper roll is kind of one of the, it's like a hook, and I just slid it onto the hook right next to the toilet paper, and it just smells up the whole bathroom really well. So that way it won't stink in there. And since our front bathroom is right off of the living room, it can start to smell up our whole house pretty fast. So I went ahead and put that in there, and I'm wiping down the countertops, and I'm also going to go ahead and clean the kitchen table and the coffee table. By the way, I'm using that Sprayway multi-purpose cleaner. Almost forgot to share it with you guys. We finally got the fireplace done. In my last cleaning video, I was trying to avoid showing it because it wasn't fully done, but we just posted that video on my main channel on, what day did I post it? It was Tuesday, I think. So if you missed that video, I'll have it linked below so you can check it out. It's not fully done. At the end of the video, I mentioned that I had 2 design ideas, and I was kind of torn between 2 of them. I still haven't made up my mind, but I will eventually, and I'll get to it. But in the meantime, that's just how it's going to look for right now. And right now, I'm just taking a quick little break to love on my fur babies, and my son wanted some attention too, so we're having a quick little dance and love break, I guess. And we're going to get back into some cleaning and fold some laundry. After all that attention, Zoe got the zoomies, and I thought I would leave it in here because it is hilarious. She thought she was going to fit underneath that chair. You guys, she comes sliding in head first and just whacked her head. And she didn't even care. She just kept running. Once all the laundry was folded, I went ahead and put everything away, starting off with the towel first, and then I noticed that the bathroom needed to be cleaned up, so I just quickly put all the toothbrushes and toothpaste away, and I'm going to wipe down, excuse me, I lost my voice there for a second. I'm going to wipe down the countertop. Sorry about the camera shaking. My son was, oh my gosh, I don't know, my voice just decided to go out. My son was riding his scooter up underneath of the tripod, so yeah. But now I'm in my daughter's room, just going to quickly make her bed. I plan on doing a full declutter video in both of my kids' rooms again, a reorganize with me type style coming very soon, so stay tuned for that. But today I just wanted to focus on the biggest mess, which was really my son's room. I wanted to make his bed and then quickly throw all of his toys in his toy box. What are you doing?
Wake up at your place, wake up at mine. Same question always. I'm getting tired. We could have breakfast, counting your freckles, close to the west coast. How about that? Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together?
after gathering up all the laundry with my little shadows following me around, I am going to come out here to the laundry room and start some clothes really quick. So if you're new here and you didn't know, I live in Florida, and it's actually pretty common if you live in like an older home to have a laundry room in like a carport, a garage, or out in a shed. Mine just so happens to be in a shed, but I recently did a full makeover on here to make it look real pretty and function better for us, and I absolutely love it. Love it. So if you need some laundry decor inspiration, I'll link that video below. Okay, so quick update. We have been cleaning for an hour, a little over an hour, I think. I started at like 8:30. I'm sweating. I'm like dripping sweat, and it feels amazing outside. So I'm gonna go around and open up all the windows to get some fresh air through here. It's been a while since I've been able to like air out the house and get some fresh, clean air. So I'm gonna do that. My hair is stuck to my face because I'm dripping sweat. Let me know, do y'all sweat like this too when you clean? Like I go all in. It's just like my workout. But yeah, it's been an hour. I pretty much tidied up the whole house at this point. My daughter's room needs some major decluttering, and I will be doing that in my separate video, because I don't have a whole lot of time to do that today. I have a few other things that I need to get done. But yeah, we're gonna go around and open up all the windows. I need to vacuum and do a quick spot mop, and then that will be it. Okay, that was a lie. I actually had some laundry to get done as well, so I got that finished. But I'm just opening the windows, and it's crazy. It feels so nice outside that within like 30 minutes, the temperature dropped quite a bit in our house. I had our AC set to 75, and I went back and looked, and it was at 71. I was like, dang, it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love this type of weather when I can open the windows and just get a fresh breeze blowing through. And it actually was so nice that I ended up cleaning up this area that I don't even have words. It's just a catch-all area, and a lot of the stuff that I stack right here needs to go out in the shed, but it's just such a process carrying everything out there. So I'm going to go ahead and get that tackled, and then we'll get into mopping the floors and everything.
I'm looking for a brand new start. I know I got some trouble getting over you. I think that I've played my part. I need to get away somewhere far from you. I'ma buy plane ticket, run away by myself for a minute. I don't have any limits. Ooh, ooh. I'm looking for a place where I can feel alive, where I can let you go and just be for a while. I got you on my mind all the time. Now I'm about, ooh, ooh. I hope I meet somebody who's better than you, that likes me for the things that I say and I do. Somebody who can help me make it through. Now I'm about, ooh, ooh. Plane ticket, plane ticket, plane ticket. You said that I was not enough. You said you could do better than wasting time on me. And I admit it felt so tough. But baby, I guess this is how it's meant to be. I'ma buy plane ticket, run away to LA for a minute. There will be no limits. Ooh, ooh.
Okay, so I got the water running for a second because it takes a while for our water to heat up, and once it's all ready to go, I'm actually going to boil a large pot of water, and that's what I'm going to use to mop the floors with. But in the meantime, a large pot like that takes a good minute to boil. So I went ahead and vacuumed the carpet really quick out here in the living room and in my master bedroom, and then I will dump that pot of hot water into the O-Cedar mop bucket and start mopping these floors. By the way, I know I might get some questions on it. I know a lot of you have noticed that I haven't been using the Bissell Crosswave. I had a few comments in my last video, I believe it was, or the video before, and it's not on purpose that I'm not using it while filming. It's just today I really wanted to use the O-Cedar mop because I wanted to use the hot boiling water. So it just ended up working out that way. But I still love the Bissell Crosswave. It is an amazing, amazing cleaning tool if you have pets, or even just young kids and you have like a lot of spills. I think it's something that is very essential in a household for cleaning.
safe place, I got room to breathe. Been a long chase, but at last I'm free. These open woods, I knew I could find peace here. Nothing like the city where I got tired of the running, the catching up.
Okay, house is clean. It is now 10:38, so I've been cleaning for a whole nother hour, doing all the vacuuming, the mopping, and yeah, it took me forever. But I'm happy it's done. Everything looks really good, and the house is clean. It's Friday, so we have a good weekend planned, as always. So yeah, I need to go ahead and put all the mop buckets away, clean up all like the little stuff that I've kind of put out, my tripods and everything, and then I'll show you a full overview of like the main living space and how clean everything is, and that'll be it for this video. So I hope you guys have enjoyed so far. I love videos like this that are just like more realistic style cleaning. Like, I don't deep clean all the time. I don't whip out my shampooer, but like what, once every 2 months? I like this type of clean because it's like the day-to-day basis style stuff. Everybody's capable of doing it. So I hope you enjoyed too. To clean out the mop bucket after dumping it, I just take that boiling water, pour it in there. I don't do this every time. Sometimes I just use like hot water, but I add a splash of bleach, and then I kind of wash out my O-Cedar mop. Every now and then I'll throw it in the wash machine, but I've noticed it collects a ton of lint. So this is the way that I like to do it, to disinfect it with the bleach, and it seems to work really well for me. So that's how I've been cleaning my O-Cedar mop.
High mountain tops. So I made some plans, some dreams to catch, to promised lands, to find my path, see the planet from greater heights. I have found a place out of time and space, far from city lights, up on greater heights. See the blue sky, feel the wind that blows, get the rush in, heaven only knows. I'm all alone, still lying far from lonely, on a journey, on a winding road. Got tired of the running, the catching up. I got hungry for the sunny, high mountain tops. So I made some plans, some dreams to catch, to promised lands, to find my path, see the planet.
For today's video, I hope you enjoyed. I know I originally planned on posting the declutter with me, which I still plan on doing for sure. I just don't have enough time to start that video today and get it all done in one day. So I will work on that as soon as I can. I have a lot of videos filmed. I've been working so hard, and I'm so excited to start bringing you guys more content, not only on this channel, but my main channel as well. I have lots of videos planned, ideas. I am so excited to get back into the swing of things. So thank you all for watching. I will see all of you in my next one, and I hope you have an amazing day.